Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to access the live videos on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helped you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So live videos are live stream of TikTok users filming themselves being live. To access live stream on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app. Once the app opens, it'll start to show you videos of all the TikTok users. If you look carefully, you'll see the word live at the top left of the screen. Tap on it and the live stream will start. To go to the next live stream, swipe up and another live stream will show up. Do this until you find the live stream which interests you. On every live stream, you'll see a chat at the bottom. This is where all the viewers are interacting with the live users. They can either be asking questions or giving compliments. They can also give rose and gifts emojis to the users. At the top of the screen, you'll see the username, and just below that, you'll see how many viewers are viewing the live stream. To quit the live view, just press the X at the top right of the screen. This will exit live view and bring you back to the TikTok's video mode. And that is how to access live videos on TikTok. If you found this useful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more social media tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.